In this video, we will learn about logarithms and its basics. In exponents, we already learned about what is 2 to the power 4 is 16 because 2 is being repeatedly multiplied 4 times. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 and that is 16. We multiplied 2 4 times, so we write the number 2 and the power how many times we multiplied it, which is 4. So same thing with logarithm, we write like this: log of the base, what is the number that is being repeatedly multiplied, that is 2, log base 2, what is the answer we get, 16, is equal to how many times we multiplied, 4. Okay, so this statement right here and this statement are exactly same. So they are basically essentially asking you is 2 to the x power is 16. What power we put at 2 that we get 16? Well, we know that is 4. Same way for log base 2 of 16, what do we get? When we have base 2, we get answer 16. So what power we used at x? So these two statements are same. Okay, x is nothing but 4 as we learned in this example. Let's take a look at different example. Let's say we have 5 of what power that we get 25. Well, you know that it is 2. So same way for log base 5, this is 5, the answer is 25. What is the power? Log base 5 of 25 is 2. Okay, these two statements are exactly same. Another example would be, let's say 3 to the power x is equal to 81. Okay, or log base 3 of 81 is x. So this power and this x is same. So when we multiply 3 times 3 is 9 times 3, that is 27, times another 3, we get 81. So we multiplied 3 4 times. So x is equal to 4. So we get 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81, or we can write like this: log base 3 of 81 is 4. This is in exponent form and this right here is in logarithmic form. Let's write another problem. Let's say we have log base 10 of 1000 is equal to x, or we can write it in the same way: x 10 to the power x, we get 10,000. Okay, so what number is over here and here that we get 10,000? Let's see that. We have 10 times 10, that is 100, times another 10, that is 1000, another 10, that is 10,000. So 10,000. So the power we will use is 4 because we multiplied it 4 times. So x is equal to 4, or we can say log base 10 of 10,000 is equal to 4, or in the exponent expression or exponent form we can write 10 to the power 4 is equal to 10,000. Okay, we will learn 2 more examples because it is important for the next videos. Let's say we have log of any number, let's say log base 7 of 1 is equal to x, or we can say 7 to what power that we get 1. If you studied exponents carefully, that we learned that any number, let's say 7 or 5, as long as if they have power of 0, then the answer will be 1. Answer will be 1. So this is nothing but it's 0, and this is also 0. So log base 7 of 1 is 0, or in the exponent form is 7 to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, and one more different example I will have, and think about it. What is the answer? Let's say, if you remember, we learned about the negative exponents. If the power of 3, let's say, is negative 2, what do you think is the answer? First, we write like this: 1 over 3 square, and we get answer as 3 times 3 is 9, 1 over 9. Okay, so log base, what is our base? Our base is 3 of what? What is the answer we get? We get 1 over 9 is equal to x. Okay, or we can say 3 to the power x, we get 1 over 9. Okay, we already learned that it is negative 2, so it will be log base 3 of 1 over 9 is negative 2, or in the exponent form it will be 3 to the negative 2 power is equal to 1 over 9. So it is extremely important that you learn about negative exponents as well. You can watch the previous videos before continuing with logarithms. This is the same statement. We just need to remember that logarithms is a different way to write the same statement. So I will see you tomorrow in the tomorrow's video with more complex problem. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.